Now let's talk about the unless keyword, and this one's interesting because it's unique to CoffeeScript from what I can tell, and it allows you to write things in a manner that flows better. And in this case, we're gonna say we're gonna walk to work unless it's raining, and then we don't care how we get there, we just don't want to walk because it's raining. So we'll say something like console.log walk to work unless, and this is awesome that we can use this keyword here, unless weather is rainy. So we're going to walk to work unless the weather is rainy, in which case maybe down here we find some other means of transportation. But this just allows us to word it in a way that's almost sentence-like, and I find that really appealing. So if we go down here and run it, currently the weather's sunny, so it should log walk to work. We run it, we get walk to work. If it's cloudy or anything else, unless it's rainy, so if we put in rainy, then it shouldn't console.log anything because we need to take a bus or car or however we're getting there, just not walking. Perfect, we get nothing there, which is good. And then somewhere down here we would figure out how we're getting to work if we're not walking. So just another keyword option.